Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore how to read 16-bit color depth images using Python. If you work with image processing or computer vision, you've likely encountered 16-bit images before. These types of images are commonly used in medical imaging, astronomy, and other fields where high-precision pixel values are crucial. In this video, we'll cover the basics of 16-bit color depth images, how they differ from more common 8-bit images, and most importantly, how to read them using Python. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what 16-bit images are and how to work with them in your own project. So, let's dive right in. A 16-bit color depth image is an image where each pixel is represented by 16 bits or 2 bytes. This allows for a much larger range of possible pixel values compared to 8-bit images, which use only 1 byte per pixel. To put this into perspective, an 8-bit image can have up to 256 different pixel values, whereas a 16-bit image can have up to 65,536 different pixel values. This increased precision is what makes 16-bit images so useful in certain fields. Now let's talk about how to read these images using Python. The process is actually quite similar to reading 8-bit images, but with a few key differences. When working with 16-bit images, you'll typically want to use a library like Pillow or OpenCV. These libraries provide functions for reading and writing image files, including support for 16-bit images. The first step in reading a 16-bit image is to open the file using one of these libraries. Once you've opened the file, you can then access the pixel data as a NumPy array. One important thing to note when working with 16-bit images is that they often require specialized display and visualization tools. This is because many image viewers and displays are only designed to handle 8-bit images. And to get around this limitation, you may need to use libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn to visualize your 16-bit images. These libraries provide functions for displaying images with high precision pixel values. So, what did we cover in this video? Here are the bundle. 16-bit color depth. Images have a much larger range of possible pixel values compared to 8-bit images. 16-bit images require specialized libraries and tools for reading, writing, and visualization. When working with 16-bit images, you'll often need to use libraries like Pillow or OpenCV for file I/O operations. Visualization tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn can be used to display 16-bit images. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped clarify the basics of 16-bit color depth images and how to read them using Python. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on image processing, computer vision, and scientific computing. In our next video, we'll be exploring insert topic here. Until then, happy coding.